Hey, we got another unboxing here. This is a pretty good sized box. Got some good stuff to show you. Need your help on social media. We're trying to monetize Facebook. So I need likes, shares, comments, communication on content. If we can monetize Facebook, I'm going to take that money and put it towards shipping. Paid out every month, and I can put that money towards shipping. And if we can get enough Facebook stuff, we could probably be sending out free shipping to people. Got a couple bags and a layer of more bags, so let's get into it. All the bags are quiet right now. We got some zombies.
That's a dark one.
These are dark zombies. We got two in here. They look pretty good. They have all their digits. Got more little crabs. These moon crabs are a real big hit, real easy to take care of, and we ship them out every week. If you're calm, they're calm, but these guys do have a brutal pinch if you get them riled up. Crabs.
Tweedle.
I don't know what this is.
Not ours.
I didn't order this.
Oh, surprise guest.
Yeah.
Hello.
He stinks.
He does stink.
He is from Turtle Poop Soup. Okay, so I got one turtle. You have to look. Didn't look at the invoice. Well, I did last night, and this guy was not on it, so you have to see what that is. It's got a face like a musk turtle or a stink pot or something like that.
It's definitely a stink pot.
Definitely a stinker, yeah. Got another one.
What in the world?
He's a little upset.
Hello, Mystery Turtle. You're less stinky than your friend.
Yeah, he's dehydrated. His eyes are sunken in. We're gonna have to get this guy some water and taken care of. We got a big snake there.
What kind of big snake? Can't really see it through the bag.
None of these bags are labeled, so it's a guessing game today. Yeah, so this is a big chunker. He's got keeled scales. So this is a water snake. He's got keeled armored scales. He's a frog and fish eater. Good size. Don't poop on me. They got nasty smelling poop. green anoles. These guys are awesome. They're like little acrobats. Whoa. There's another water snake. He's even bigger. We got some deli cups. These guys are chonkers. Big green dumpies. These are really great tree frogs. These are a good size.
Chunky. It's her.
It's not ready to come out. These are supposed to be metallic pink toes. Kind of small right now, but they're supposed to be nice and shiny. And just a couple more bags. Couple cold, dry sirens. It's a greater siren. The last time I can handle them. I'm a sucker for sirens. We like weird amphibians, so whenever I see these guys, I try to bring them in. It's like a giant, long axolotl. They're real strong. They get a lot bigger than this. These guys are baby giant Suriname toads. These are real deal monsters. Little babies. They're babies right now, but they're gonna grow to be the size of a small child. So you get these guys nice and small like this and then watch them grow to be huge. These guys are gonna go really fast. Whenever I see them, available, they're big wild caught guys. You don't see baby wild caughts very often, but you should definitely get one of these and grow them up. Almost done. We got 2 more bags to get through. This was a good sized box. We got a lot of stuff going on. And this is all getting put on Morph Market, so we'll be doing a lot of shipping videos probably in the next couple of weeks. A couple more zombies, but look at this one. Once he calms down. He's a little guy, but look at his bloody tears. Oh, he's got me. Look at those red under his eyes.
And he's got one orange.
He's got
One orange
red
leg.
That's probably a regrown leg. It's actually smaller than this side. So he's molted recently and regrew that leg. So when we get these guys, sometimes they are missing. Well, there actually is another missing over there. They don't molt too often, but when they do, they can regrow. last box, last bag. I'm not sure what's in here. More toads. More giants.
Baby toad.
Stop down to the shop. Send us a message on social media. Let us know what you're looking for. And we can get them shipped out to you pretty quick. Thanks for watching the long unboxing. And stay tuned for more.